I'll show you how to force delete a file that won't delete on your Windows computer. Sometimes, when you try to delete a file, the progress bar just keeps looping and the file never actually goes away. This often happens with files that are in use or locked by the system. In this example, I'll demonstrate how to delete a file located on my desktop called example123.txt. First, open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, and click to open the Command Prompt application. Next, we'll use a simple command to force delete the file. Start by typing del/F. Then, enter the full file path. Since my file is on the desktop, I'll type c:\users\owner\desktop\example123.txt. After pressing enter, the file will be permanently deleted from your system. It's that simple. Using Command Prompt is an effective way to remove files that won't delete through normal means. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.